VIPS has become one of the fastest and most convenient ways to handle everyday payments, especially when it comes to bills. This video walks through a clear, efficient method to use VIPS for secure and error-free bill payments, ensuring everything processes smoothly and on time. Start by opening the VIPS app and confirming you're logged into your verified account. Go directly to the Pay section on the home screen. From here, select Pay a Bill. VIPS automatically scans your recent invoices and any e-invoices already linked to your phone number. If your bill appears there, simply tap it. The essential details such as the amount, due date, account number, and KID number are already pre-filled, removing the risk of entering wrong information. Review the fields to ensure the details match the bill and proceed to authorize the payment using your preferred verification method. If the bill is not listed automatically, choose the manual option. Enter the amount in dollars, the recipient's bank account number, and the KID or reference numbers exactly as they appear on the invoice. VIPS formats everything correctly as you type, reducing mistakes. Before approving the transaction, double-check the amount and due date to avoid incomplete or late payments. Once confirmed, the payment processes instantly or schedules for the listed due date if the bill supports delayed settlement. To make future payments even faster, enable e-invoice within VIPS settings. When this feature is active, companies you owe automatically send your invoices directly into VIPS. All upcoming bills appear in one place, ready for approval with a single tap. This eliminates paper statements, email digging, or logging into separate platforms. With e-invoice enabled and consistent use of VIPS built-in verification, bill payments remain organized, secure, and effortless. This method ensures accuracy, saves time, and keeps every transaction clearly recorded in your VIPS activity log for easy tracking.